So let's just see how we can download the MongoDB shell. So the MongoDB shell is a quick way to connect to the MongoDB database. So here we can perform so many tasks. We can perform queries. So here in the install directory, inside the bin folder, you can see we do not have a mongosh file. So to access the shell, we need to download the shell separately. So here we are in the MongoDB official website, and from here we're gonna download the shell. First of all, you have to select the version, and then we have to select the platform, and then we can select the package. Either we can download zip or we can download the MSI file, and we have to click on download. And once the download is completed, then we have to install that. So we have to click on next, and here we have to select the installation directory. So we're gonna change the installation directory. So we're gonna install the shell inside the previous MongoDB bin folder. So we're gonna select MongoDB server 7 bin. So here inside the bin folder, we're gonna install the shell and then click on next, install. So you can see the installation is completed. So now you can see inside the bin folder we have so many other files along with the MongoD, mongosh, and also we have the mongosh file. So this is the MongoDB shell. So before that we have to set path to this directory. So we're gonna copy this path. Now here in the environment variables we have to set the path. So click on edit, and here we're gonna create one new path, then click on OK. So we have successfully set the path. Now here in the VS Code terminal we can check the MongoDB version. So MongoD -- version, and also we can check the MongoDB shell version. So mongosh -- version. So that means we have successfully installed and set the path for that bin folder. So now let's just connect to the MongoDB server. So we're gonna click on the extension, and from here we can create one new connection. So here we can just click on connect. Here we have to enter the connection string. So MongoDB localhost, and then the port number 27017, and click on enter. You can see we have successfully connected to the local MongoDB server. Now here in the terminal we can open the MongoDB shell. So mongosh. So you can see we have our shell ready. From here we can execute different commands. Like an example, we can write showdbs, and here it is showing the currently available databases. So this is the way we can download the MongoDB shell, and we can easily connect to the MongoDB database, and we can execute different commands. So that's it for the video. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.